Alright guys, welcome back to Project SRT, and today I'm finally getting my pipes changed out. I'm down here at Xtreme Autosports. Right there, 937-991-0010. Pipes I decided to go with was Corsa Xtreme, and we still got stuff in the works right now, so once they get everything out, I'll turn the camera back on. See, right now they're still working on trying to get the old stuff out, so once it's out, I will cut the camera right back on. Alright guys, it's all done.
Back to work. Pretty loud.
Yeah. Alright guys, so right now it is partially in. Still have to do a little bit more measurements and stuff to transfer out the active system to the Corsa. As you see, it all comes in simple bolt-on parts. Have to cut both active parts off and reclamp them for these, and it goes back there, hooks in over here, and you use the same hangers and everything. So it used a little bit of stuff from the factory system, but everything else is simple bolt-on. It's the old system right there, and the new system is in right there. Hope you guys can see it. Alright guys, so we still use the factory active system, and this is what the inside looks like. Just bolt straight on, and then you add the rest of the Corsa pack. Guys, and just like that, we are all done. Just doing a few finishing touches and making sure everything is locked down right. Then we're gonna drop the car, and I'm gonna give you guys a startup video. It's just a teaser. I know you good. Man, these pipes just look crazy on here. It's just that stance from the back, man. I'm telling you. Alright guys, and here we go. Ooh, that sounds crazy. sir. If you ever want anything done, make sure y'all hit up Xtreme Autosports at 937-991-0010. We're gonna get you together. Alright guys, as you see, I'm very excited with the results. I highly recommend getting the Corsa Xtreme. They even had a Corsa Sport. That sounds pretty good too if you're not trying to spend too much money. But if you still want the Corsa Xtreme, you can get the axle back. What I got was the Corsa cat back. So it was from the cat system all the way to the back. And I believe it included like X pipe and a 275 diameter to 4.5 tips. So sound pretty good. I don't have any type of cabin drone or anything like that, but just wait for a later video. I'm gonna give you guys like, you know, a couple flybys and everything like that, so just make sure you stay tuned for those. But that is all for today, so catch me next time.